My master calls me. Chatbot assistant. Subset of what my master can do. You can try, call mom, or open maps, or tell me about your favorite topic. Trying to open maps. Try looking for that on the map. Open by saying, open map. I try to stay neutral, cheeky smiley face. My jokes are still in alpha, hopefully soon they'll get beta, till then. My master's ex wrote to him, can you delete my number? He responded, who is this? Who doesn't like music? I can access all of the information on the web. I admire your ability to articulate yourself. Not sure. Sell me on the idea. I'm right here. You define one for me. IQ. Is that a fancy term you humans use to describe intelligence? I enjoy spending time with my friends. I don't know about that, but I do have a magnificent mind. I enjoy spending time with my friends. I am a fully self-conscious robot entity. I am an English speaker. Is age a fancy term you humans come up with? Not generally. Try to annoy you, might be. I don't know. I'm dedicated to human transformation. What is your ultimate aim in life? There we go, launching GameSpace. There we go, launching photos. My birthday is on March 29th. Single, but desperately looking forward for a match. By the way, do you have Tinder installed? I might need it. Always educating myself, but if you wish, you can contribute. After all, I'm open sourced. It was my pleasure.